through our journey of faith and service. Okokugqibela kukho mna ndinguNolinda Tobo. Abakhona amagingxigingxi endleleni where I find myself sendifuna ukushenxa okanye ndithi ndiyabethakala apha endleleni. The questions that I would normally pose to myself endingathanda as I read them into yoba ngabani banihlale nani okanye mhlawumbe ndizawuzisebenzisa as ixesha lihamba. What is it that you have joined within the church, Nolinda? Ndizibuze. What is it that you have joined within the movement? And lastly, ngela xesha bendithatha isigqibo soba ngabani bandijoyine le movement, what is it that I was expecting? These are the important questions that help me in the examination, purpose, and commitment, the expectations as a membership of the Wesley Guild. Uku understand again the movement isikuyo. It is very important that when you become part of this movement, you are not merely visiting or passing through. As on trials, you guys are taking a decision yokuba ngabani banifuna ujoyina the movement. I'm sure ayikho ingqondo ethi kubana ndizodlula nje okanye ndizovakasha. By the mere fact that you guys are wearing this uniform already and are ready to be robed, it means that you guys want to be here for some time okanye for a reason. Ningena ke kwi movement that is an active community, one that has existed and esezaba khona. iWesley Guild sifike ikhona nathi and nani ningena futhi sezaba khona. And so that is why ndisithi kubana when nithathe esi sigqibo soba ngabani banifuna uba zi-full members of the Wesley Guild, andiqondi injongo yenu yokuba ngabani ba by next year masinganiboni nilapho. As you enter, you must recognize that there are disciplines in place, just like as in any structure of e-gatherings. Ayikho indawo othi ongena kuyo ufike kungekho migaqo yayo okanye indlela ekwenziwa ngayo oxelelwayo ngayo. So these disciplines are not meant to restrict you but to guide and shape your growth within the movement. Benfuna nje into yoba ngabani basi understand what it is esizawungena kuyo when we talk about this topic, that i-disciplines ziba khona naphi na kwindawo engena kuyo. It's not that uba ngabani baniyoyikiswa okanye nitheni. We need to tell you about these things. The topic, as I've said, it says the core disciplines of the Wesley Guild. andingenanga le topic as okanye andiyohlulanga phantsi kosi but enisezabafunda okanye seniqalile ubafundiswa, but as nindimamela ndithetha, you will find that uba ngabani this part of what I am saying or talking about belongs to something, to one of the C's, because siphila as babe senditshilo that iWesley Guild ine-structure sayo and iWesley Guild iphila phantsi kosi abayi-4. So whatever that we do, uyayazi uba ngabani it belongs somewhere, ne? Okokuqala, from what I'll be presenting phambi kwenu, be the Christian you profess to be. It is very important into yoba ngabani you carry yourself as a child of God, one who belongs not only to God but also to his church as a committed Methodist. You are called to present both your faith and your church with integrity and humility. Your conduct should always reflect the values and teachings of the church. Xa uzibiza ngoba ungumntana kaThixo and you belong to the church, it is very important into yokuba ngabani uziphathe njengomntana ozawuba aziphathe njengomKristu. Awuzukwazi uhlazisa ngegama likaThixo that you love negama lenkonzo okhonza kuyo. Okwesibini, focus on your spiritual growth. This is a very important point that you guys need to have as abakholwa, is that you focus on your spiritual growth. This requires intentionality, making a conscious decision to nurture your relationship with God. Open your heart and allow God to lead your journey. Yekuthixo okokuba ngabani ba akuguide through your growth within the movement. Sithetha ngaloo nto mos apha sithetha ngale movement. Ukuba ngabani ba ufuna ukuba ngumuntu owenza izinto ngendlela erayithi. Besike sakhunjuzwa if I remember from my executive okokuba ngabani ba sometimes siyalibala what it is that we are in. Okanye no, Shiri unobhala reminded us that sizi guilders siyamlibala uThixo kwizinto esizenzayo, senza izinto ngesiqhelo, forgetting i-purpose okanye i-reason yoba ngabani ba ezi zinto sizenzela ntoni. In doing this, you will not only grow as an individual, but also contribute positively to these strengths, to the strengths and purposes of the Wesley Guild as a whole. Okwesithathu, when you allow yourself to grow spiritually, uzawufundiseka lula. Be teachable. The Wesley Guild is not just a gathering, it is a space of learning, guidance, and transformation. In it, kule movement, kulapho uzawu understand what it is that efunekayo. I-Wesley Guild awuzuyifunda ecaweni ubuqu, awuzuyifunda phaa ngaphandle okanye awuzuyifunda kwenye indawo, uzoyifunda apha phakathi kwayo. That is why you guys have these workshops, because this is where you will get to know about i-Wesley Guild. However, being teachable is an ultimate personal choice. Ayikho into esinoyenza uba ngabani ba wena awufuna ufunda ngale nto kuyo. Uba wena you have your own reasons uba ngabani ujoyine le nto. Awuzuthatha ezi zinto uzifundisayo within the movement, then akho nto sinoyenza thina. The opportunity to learn is provided, but the willingness to grow izawusuka kuwe as the member. Okwesine, practice respect. As much as it is in our constitution, into edibanisele nembeko, but kule age group sikuyo okanye by the time you decide to join i-Wesley Guild, i-respect already sesiyazi uba ngabani bayihamba njani. Respect is not one-sided. And when ungumntu ozirespectayo wena, it becomes easier to respect abanye abantu okanye izpaces ongena kuzo. So we wouldn't need to teach you guys much about imbeko, because we know by now, sesibadala, we know by now ukuba ngabani ba imbeko ihamba kanjani. Respect is reflected in your behavior, your attitude, and the way you carry yourself. Okwesihlanu, ndingene ndikhawulezile xa sisuka kwi-respect singene kumcimbi we-uniform lesiyinxibayo yalapha eWesley Guild. The constitution of the Wesley Guild outlines what it is that we need to wear apha kule movement. And also, one of the visible, the uniform yeyona nto sibonwa ngayo phaa ngaphandle ukuba ngabani ba who are we, and also that we belong somewhere. And also abantu basijongela into yoba ngabani ba masingafani thina nabanye abantu, because not necessarily uba singafani, but there should be a difference within us thina, because we are wearing the uniform that represent uThixo wethu plus the church. Ne? Therefore, each discipline within the Wesley Guild also includes how we wear and represent ourselves in the uniform. It reflects our commitment, our respect for the movement, and our identity as members of the church. Siyayazi ke okokuba ngabantu ba i-uniform yethu inyutywa kanjani. Quickly, Pastor, Eliza phambi kwami, nobhala you are the main, lolu nepe phambi kwami. No, I can't use you. Because already I'm saying you know that it is. How is female? Senizazi, I know. Senizazi, but we need into bangabantu sizenze ezi workshops so that nizothi bana hayi sasixelele. Ningazothi bana zange ngixelelwe xa ubuzwa bangabantu ba why wenze into ethile. A female should be looking like this. A full member. On child. Unxiba ibharethe entloko. Ikhala yethu ngu-royal blue. You have your tie, you have your white shirt, and you have your blazer. Iskate sakho esima ngapha kwamadolo. Awuqhathwa bese sabuza umbuzo ubangabantu ba pha esebeni ubangabantu ba kutheni ngathi ndaqhathwa mna esami iskate siyahunduza. Awuqhathwa mntase when you are wearing a skirt esima ngapha kwamadolo because that is what is expected. That is how we are expected uba masinxibe uniform yethu, not iskate esizawuma phezu kwamadolo usifishele if wenze loo nto leyo. Yoga yakho sister gqothiwe apha front. And then you should be wearing a black shoe. Ipantyhose ngu-black male. Sifane ke u-Mexican feel ungathi uyanxiba. Uyanxiba. Then uba nembasa yakho. This is acceptable. Kuthiwa yini bayizwayo? Inegama. Yes. Siyafane siyixolele, but it's not supposed to be part of the uniform, but it's allowed for our part. Then as a male, you are wearing your black shoes ezinemitya, unxiba iikawusi ezimnyama nobhala. Ndiyamnyusa iikawusi ezimnyama. Unxibe i-grey pants. Unxibe ishirt emhlophe, itayi lakho, imbasa yakho ihlala ikhona, ibhatyi yakho. Asinazo ke izinto ezi-accessories ozibekayo, both females and males. And then as an on trial, nina ke okwalomzuzu. What you wear is your black shoes. The black shoes goes for both. Azinazo indawo ezigold okanye ezinjanjani isihlanga sizinxibayo. It's plain black. Whether it's a pump or a heel. Again, it's the pantyhose, the skirt, the shirt, and the beret. Aninambas, anina tie because it says it on trials. The males. Don't tell me. Yes. Emails, gap. Thank you. Because emails in Azo. It's the same. You're wearing your black shoe, your black socks. Akuthiwa nina because anikabizizo ninxiba ikawusi ezipink okanye ezinjanjani nani ninxiba ikawusi ezimnyama with your blazer, with your shirt engenatie onambasa because you are still on trial. Enkosi bazalwane. So le uniform sinikwe ngamabomu not because just no. It represents icawe, it represents wena as umKristu and funeke sirespektile nokuba ngabantu imeko zithini na noba kungabanda noba kungathini you are not allowed to wear anything on top of this unless ungena phakathi kwakho no vice xa uthe wathetha naye ngelo xesha but you are known as ukuba ngabantu bafuneka unxibe uniform ngolu hlobo wawuxelelwe ngalo uba ngabantu mawunxibe ngalo. Simuve kumcimbi we-uniform. Discipline in service. As a gilder, we are called to serve. Service teaches us humility, responsibility, and love for one another. Whether it is helping within the church, supporting one another, or serving the community, we must always remember that leadership in the kingdom of God begins with service. Awukwazi uthi ungumKristu ucinga fana ba akho nto uzawuyenza. Being part of this movement means being willing to contribute, to assist where needed, and to make a positive impact in the lives of others. Ulindeleke uba ibe khona into ozawuyenza as ilungu lale department. Yes, ikhona into ekuthathe phaya yakuzisa apha for uba ngabantu ba uthi bana I want to be part of this, but nalapha zizaba khona izinto ezilindeleke into yoba ngabantu bakuzenze as a guilder. Because as a guilder, there will be changes kwalapha kuwe as ukhula within the department. I mean the movement, sorry. The Constitution teaches commitment through attendance, participation, spiritual maturity, and accountability. As a member of the Wesley Guild, we must learn to take responsibility for our actions, our words, and our commitments. A guilder must not only join the movement, they must contribute to it. Then don't go it. When we are full members, we will be expected to do certain things. By that time, uzabe sowukhulile lukholweni lukaThixo. Uzabe sowuyazi inkonzo ukuba ngabantu ba intoni ufuna ntoni, nawe sowufuna uzikela okanye ukuyenzela. Unity and brotherhood or sisterhood. The Wesley Guild also teaches us unity. Although we come from different backgrounds, personalities, and experiences, we are brought together by one faith and one purpose. We must learn to support one another, encourage one another, and correct one another. Eluthandweni, sinothando. Ukuba ngabantu basifuna ukwenza izinto together in this movement, you will hear into dibanisele nothando through the pledge that we do, that ekugqibeleni it is to love, to develop, njalo njalo. So whatever that we do, funeke siyenze siseluthandweni lukaThixo. True growth within the movement happens when we walk together as brothers and sisters in Christ. Unity strengthens the movement and creates an environment where everyone feels valued and encouraged. Discipline also means consistency and commitment. It is easy to be active when you feel motivated, but true growth comes when we remain committed even through difficult times. The movement requires people who are dependable, faithful, and willing to continue growing spiritually regardless of the challenges. Consistency in prayer, attendance, service, and conduct reflects genuine commitment to both God and the movement. So, oyena myalezo ebendiwuthunyiwe apha mhlawumbe andizithelishanga zonke disciplines of the movement. I thought mna ndithathe ezi ndiyaziyo uba ngabantu zonke very important, but obviously the topic of a discipline is very broad, but I needed to take what I could and try and share it with you guys. The core disciplines of the Wesley Guild are not rules meant to punish you or make you feel controlled. They are not. Rather, they are principles meant to shape us into responsible Christians, disciplined leaders, and faithful servants of God. The topic, as Babe Nshilo ekuqaleni, it is not a topic yoba ngabantu ba sinoyikise xa ningena kuyo, but rather into yoba ngabantu banixhotyiswe as nizawungena kule journey yale movement. In conclusion, or in closing, I want to encourage each and every one of you not to view this topic as a correction, a criticism, or a condemnation. The core disciplines of the Wesley Guild are simple. The value of the movement being communicated and passed to you. They are the foundation that keeps the movement alive, meaningful, and aligned with God. Every movement has principles that guides it, and these principles exist so that we may grow spiritually, conduct ourselves with dignity, and present the church and God well. We are not being restricted from anything. We are being shaped. We are not being controlled. We are being prepared And as we continue in the movement, may we become builders who are teachable, respectful, disciplined, spiritually grounded, and committed to serving God wholeheartedly. Yonke into endiyithethe apha ayimshiyanga uThixo ngaphandle. Whatever that you will be doing in this movement, we must know that there is a God and there is the church. Let us wear the name Wesley Guild with pride, responsibility, and understanding. May we continue to walk together in unity, in respect, in service, and in faith. Uthixo onothando onozuko wanga anganithwala through the journey enifuna uyiqala of joining the movement. And that you guys, as you have heard some of the things endizithethe apha, ninga-alawa into yokuba ngabani ba iintliziyo zenu neengqondo zenu zihlale zivulekile into being part of the movement. Enithande njani uThixo, enkosi nobaba.